Alright, the next thing that we're going to work on is adding and subtracting decimals. The nice thing about this is that they're the same rules for adding and subtracting. Now the rules for these two operations does not correspond with multiplying and dividing. The main thing you need to do is to line up your decimal points. You want to make sure you line up the decimals. Okay, because you want to make sure you're adding all the same numbers in the hundredths place, the tenths place, the ones place. So for example, if I had the number 39 and 6/10 plus 24 hundredths, you would go ahead and write the first number, and then make sure your decimal points are one on top of each other, and then you just carry on. So now all my numbers in the ones place, all my numbers in the tenths place, all my numbers in the hundredths place are all lined up. So I'm going to go ahead and add. 4 plus nothing is 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, 9 plus nothing is 9, and 3 plus nothing is 3. So my answer is 39 and 84 hundredths. Alright, let's do another one. Okay. Let's do one where we're going to have to carry over some of our numbers. Okay. So let's do 16 and 96 hundredths plus 4 and 68 hundredths. So I'm going to go ahead and line them up. 16 decimal point 96 plus, that 4 is in the ones place, so I'm going to put the 4 in the ones place here. My decimal points are lined up. 6, 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Put down the 4, carry the 1. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Just do it like you normally would. You put down the 6 and you carry the 1. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. I put down the 1 and I carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. I put down my 2 and I just bring it down that decimal point. Okay. Now the same thing happens for a subtraction. Let's say I had 25 take away 1 and 63 hundredths. So you might say, where is the decimal point in the number 25? 25 is a whole number. Now with whole numbers, we don't normally put the decimal point because it's just understood it's a whole number. But if we have to add some more zeros or numbers to the right of it, we put our decimal point here. So I write 25, and there's my decimal point, take away 1 and 63 hundredths. Now I can't take 3 away from nothing, so I need to add 2 zeros. Now I can go ahead and subtract. 0 take away 3 I can't do, so I need to regroup. So I'm going to stop at the 5, change the 5 to a 4. This first 0 becomes a 10. I take the 10 and take 1 away to make that 9. This 0 becomes a 10. 10 take away 3 is 7. 9 take away 6 is 3. 4 take away 1 is 3. And 2 take away nothing is 2. And then don't forget to bring your decimal point down. Okay. Please go on the websites to practice adding and subtracting decimals. Remember, you must line up the decimal points so the same place values are right underneath each other.